All right. You ever had a wig that when you first got it out, the bangs were like all over the place? We're going to take this one. This is a brand new monofilament that I just got from Cass at the Wig Spa Canada. This is Skye Blonde Latte. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this some more like side bang feature. So if you want to learn how to do it with me, keep watching. Hello, I'm here, I promise. Come with me as I work on this brand new wig that I have and give it a little bit of volume here and move these bangs so that they lay not in my eyeballs. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm just going to use my water, my spray bottle. First thing I'm going to do is grab my water in this misting bottle, and I'm just going to put a little bit of water up at the top here, and we're going to brush this back. And if you don't want to do this on your head, you can do this on a mannequin too if you want to. And then what I'm trying to do is just break up those fibers right now. We're going to take this off, and we are going to put some heat to the inside. So I'm just going to grab my hair dryer, put it on medium heat, and we're going to put this in here for about 20 seconds. Don't touch the lace. Now you want to blast it with cold air. Let's put this on and we're going to see how this is looking. I just got a knot here. Hang on a second, guys. We'll fix that here in a second. All right. Now let's see what we're looking at. We're looking at a little bit more volume up here, which is exactly what I wanted. Oh, it looks like we gave some volume to the bangs here too. So let's just do this. Always start at the bottom, you guys, of your wigs, by the way. Okay, so let's see what we're looking at here with the bangs now. Okay, so we do have a little bit of volume in the bangs, which is exactly what I wanted, but I want more. I want some more definition or part or something here. And I guess I need to decide, I think I just want some face framing bangs. So if I split it in half, and kind of work it towards the side. What do you guys think? I think she'd be beautiful with bangs like this. And more, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with those. Do I want to do a side bang? I love this. You guys, Skye is beautiful. I think I kind of want to do like a soft side bang. All right, let's see how I can do this. I think I just need to add some water and kind of curl it this way. What do you guys think? Or the other thing I could do is just pull them up. There's a lot of hair here. Okay, let's pull these up. And let's just give this a little bit of a blast of warm air for a few seconds, and we're going to hold it up, kind of up and back a little bit. Skye is beautiful, you guys. This is a monofilament wig. This is called Skye Blonde Latte from Wig Spa Canada. And I wanted to wear her today, so I need to fix the bangs. I'm just gonna let this cool. It's still a little bit warm. Now I could add a cool blast. Let's do that actually. Blast of cool air. Getting there. Actually, I like that, just like that. Let's give this a nice little part here. Got that monofilament, you guys. Take advantage of that. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, she's beautiful. Stay tuned for a full review on this one. I think I'm in love. I think I'm going to leave it kind of like that. What do you guys think? Give me your thoughts on bangs and what you would do with yours. I think I like it like that. It gives it a little bit of more natural. Oh yeah, she's got some nice lift. I'm in love. All right, let me know what you guys think. And what would you do to your bangs?